Hello, today I'm gonna talk about AI ethics and bias. First of all, what is AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a technology that enables computers and machines to simulate the capabilities of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, understanding, problem solving, decision making, creativity, and autonomy. And today I'm focusing on three main categories that are AI ethics, AI bias, and reflection. Now let's take a closer look at AI ethics, especially in data and privacy concerns. As you have known, data security is paramount for many companies, organizations, or anyone who collect customer data. However, artificial intelligence creates opportunity for manipulators and hackers to access sensitive company information, potentially leading to data breaches and loss of privacy. It is crucial that leaders understand the risk posed by AI-powered malware and develop internal cybersecurity systems to detect and mitigate these threats. Here's another perspective to consider: human error. I think this is one of the most significant reasons for any concerns. There are biases and errors in AI programming system, which can lead to making inaccurate conclusions or recommendations. However, these recommendations significantly influence human decisions. These results suggest that random errors in AI recommendations can cause humans to make mistakes, but our primary concern is the presence of systematic bias in AI systems and the potential for humans to perpetuate those biases, said by Vincent and Mathieu. And to answer the question whether or not people will repeat their mistakes, Abrams wrote, "Decades of psychological research clearly show that once humans inherit a bias or encounter misinformation, those beliefs are hard to revise. So this further exacerbates the dangers of human role in interacting with AI." And now, moving on to the next part. Bias in AI. Lizzie Short, a writer from Harvard, has once written in her blog, "The programmers creating the AI could be biased." Imping says, "The algorithm could be biased. It could be overweighting something, or the bias could be something inherent in the algorithm. The training data itself could be biased, or these learning materials could be limiting some important information." And Abrams also claimed in his report that in places where there's a lot of inequality, those systems essentially create winners and losers, Schultz says. So there is additional concern about how AI tools could be used irresponsibly, even maliciously, to make things worse. So you can now imagine there is bias in AI algorithms, which can lead to inaccurate answers and inequalities. For instance, biased algorithmic decision making has been reported in healthcare, hiring, and other settings. It can happen when the data used to train a system is inaccurate or does not represent the population it intends to serve. With generative AI systems, such as ChatGPT, biased decision making can also happen unexpectedly due to the black box issue, which refers to the fact that even an algorithm's developers may not understand how it derives its answers, said by Abrams. So, what does this all mean for us? I will find my own conclusion that AI systems are becoming increasingly powerful and can be further improved through the provision or specific instructions. However, this raises concern regarding reliability, ethics, and fairness, which may be difficult to guarantee. Therefore, people, AI programmers, and AI users need to improve their understanding of AI ethics in order to use it appropriately and safely. Otherwise, this technological tool could become a major threat to society in the future. And thank you for listening.